Paper 1 Nonfiction, 2026. Section A, Reading. Spend 30 minutes on this section. Read the text and insert and answer questions from 1 to 8. Look at the first and second paragraphs, line 3 to 9, and answer A, B, C, and D. Let's skim the text first. Text for Section A. Tall Mountains, Big Goals. Jordan Romero. Let's check how many paragraphs do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the glossary. Provision means food and drink. Medicine pole, heavy weighting pole. Okay. So it's clear that it's about an athlete. Let's check the first question. What punctuation does the writer use to emphasize Jordan's feeling in the first paragraph? Before going to answer or to search for the answer, I have to know something. What do I mean by punctuation? What is the question after? Punctuation, guys, it means like what? It has many things actually, but basically it's about full stops, question marks, or even commas, exclamation marks, something like that. So, which punctuation the writer used to show his feeling or Jordan's feeling in the first paragraph? Let's check and search for punctuation. Here we go. Jordan Romero starred on the ice Antarctica. We made it. Here we go. Can you see that? Exclamation mark. And it shows feeling. We made it. Like, I am the winner. I did it. Like, when you did something. So, we made it. So, what does it shows? Or what is punctuation? Is exclamation mark. So, the answer is going to be an exclamation mark. So, question 1b. Give the simile that the writer uses to show that Jordan is very high up. Okay. In this question, or what are the main words in this question? He's asking for simile, but not just any simile. I need the simile that shows that Jordan is very high, standing up high. Okay. So let's remember, what do I mean by simile? Simile is to compare between something and something else using as or like. So I'm searching for as or like, and it must mean that he is very up high. And where exactly? Within the first or second paragraph. That's it. As. Okay, we finish with this part. His head nearly in the clouds. By the way, his head nearly in the clouds. Yeah. This expression, it means that he's up high. But it's not simile. So it must be both. It must mean that he is up high, and it must be a simile. Feeling as, that's what I was talking about, as if he was floating above the world. So that's it. In this sentence, I did both. It's a simile with as, and it gives the meaning of being up high. So the answer is going to be this part. Let's go and write it down. Okay, next question. How many mountains has Jordan climbed to achieve his goal? So in this question, I'm after the number of mountains. I believe it's gonna be easy to find because it's just a number. Has achieved his goal, which is wow, that's it. That was his goal. He would like to achieve this one. So how many? Seven. And question D is asking for synonym. I need one word that means painting. Okay, so here of seven continents. He spotted. A spot is like to look or see something. Mural, this one, showing the highest mountain peaks. It's like picture or painting. Mm. It's clear, isn't it? Now, question two. Look at the third paragraph, line 10 to 18. Give one phrase that means did things enthusiastically. Simply, he need a phrase that means he liked doing that thing. When you like something and you are so in love with it, you would like to do it all the time. So, third paragraph. Here we go. Kind of a boy who always threw himself into everything. That's it. What does it mean to throw yourself into something? Which means you like doing it all the time, busy with it, in a nice way, of course. Threw himself into everything. Next, what does it refer to in line 12? Here's line 10, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12, so let's find it's here. Okay, if it here, so we must go back and find out what was before it. Um, where is the start of the sentence? Okay, if something caught his attention, he would find out all about it. When he was younger, it had been reptiles, and he had known absolutely everything about them. So it referred to um, the thing that he liked, the thing that grabbed his attention, his interest, something that he wanted to find out, something he wanted to find out more about. Okay, so C, give two openers, starters of sentence. The writer used to show how Jordan interests change over time in this paragraph. Yeah, because Jordan was interested in reptiles, and then it's a change in something else, which is mountains. So we need two openers, two sentence openers to show that change. Okay. Mm, okay. When he was younger, this is the first opener. He was interested in reptiles. and that was why he was also out of it. But then, sentence opener, the second one. His attention turned it to mountains. So when he was younger and but then. That's it. When he was younger, but then. B. What does the writer emphasize by using questions in this paragraph? Why? Why do you think writer choose to use question? To show what? Let's check the question to find out. Where are the questions? During the long vacation between the third and fourth grade, the idea of climbing these mountains starting to I reached it, blah blah blah. So, the question: who had climbed them? How high were they? Which route to the top was the best? Okay. What the effect of using these questions? It's clear that to show Jordan interest, to show wonder, to show curiosity, or the amount of information or facts Jordan wanted to find out. Sorry. Look at the fourth. Now we're done with third. Fourth. Give a phrase from the paragraph that means ambitious person. Okay, fourth. That was three, and that was two, and now we are in number four. He was and still is the ultimate goal setter. Wow. The answer in the first line, ultimate goal setter. It shows so far that he's so ambitious. Ultimate goal setter, correct. Look at the fifth paragraph. Jordan needed to train for his climbing challenge. Sure. He needed to practice. Normal. Complete the table with the quotations from the paragraph. Okay. Look, guys, what he needs for his challenge. Okay. He need to carry his own things by himself. So he must know how to do that by himself. Okay. Second, he must know how to pull a slide by himself as well. He must know how to breathe at high places. So he must train doing everything. So how did he do it? Let's find out from the text and let's go step by step. First, how did he do it? Like practice how to carry his own thing. The first one. Um, fifth one. Okay. Jordan climbed was required to carry his own equipment. Yes, we know that. And pull a slide full of, which means this word, which means food and this stuff. Of each mountain, he would need to learn how to breathe at high elevation in order to altitude sickness and so on. So, okay, that's what we know. How did he do it? Let's go next. So, Jordan began his training by the first thing hiking with his dad in Serena, Nevada, a mountain range strengthened in the state of Nevada of California. Okay, this is fine. Okay, but does it answer any of the question? Not really, not yet. So let's carry on reading. Let me